Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem of the week, focusing on basic circle properties and perfect for beginners. Here is the problem. The diagram shows a smaller semicircle inscribed within a larger one, with their point on contact dividing the diameter into lengths of 20 and 24. The task is to determine the area of the smaller semicircle. The options are A. 112 pi, B. 115 pi, C. 118 pi, and D. 120 pi. Let's revisit some circle properties before we dive into the solution. I encourage you to pause the video now, grab your pen and paper, and give this problem your best effort. When you're ready, please share your answers in the comments below. Then we explore the solution together. Let's begin. I hope you have made some headway on this problem. Let me share my approach with you. First, designate O and P as the centers of the semicircles respectively. Let the point Q be where the smaller semicircle touches the largest one. Observe that triangle OPQ is right angle at Q. At this juncture, do you recall one of the circle properties we mentioned earlier? Yes, that's the one. Calculating radius of the largest semicircles gives us 22, meaning PQ is 2. Next, let R represent the radius of the smaller semicircle and let S be the length of OP. Applying Pythagoras Theorem to the triangle OPQ gives S squared equals R squared plus 2 squared. Remember, the radius of the largest circle is 22. Let TU be the diameter of the smaller circle. Since OT equals OU, we know that OP acts as a perpendicular bisector of UT, indicating that the angle of TOP is 90 degrees. Here, we are utilizing another circle property. Yes, that's the one. Applying Pythagoras Theorem to the triangle TOP, we find PT squared equals 22 squared equals R squared plus S squared. Combining these two key equations, we find 22 squared is 2R squared plus 2 squared, leading us to conclude R squared equals 240. Consequently, the area of the smaller semicircle is pi r squared over 2, which is 120 pi, making the correct answer D, 120 pi. A big thank you to everyone submitted their answer. Impressively, more than 90% of you reached the correct solution. Thank you all for participating in this math challenge. Stay tuned for more intriguing problems. This concludes today's lesson. I hope you found this video insightful and are looking forward to more mathematical adventures. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.